All right, we have some breaking inputs coming in on the broadcast. NEET re-exam security review meeting has been held. The meeting chaired by Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan is ordered crackdown on fake channels. Centre flags fake NEET paper leak claims. Telegram channels are now under the scanner of the government. Social media firms have been told to block misinformation. Let's go across to Kritika. She's joining us on the broadcast with more details. Kritika, the government wants to ensure that there are no mistakes this time, there are no loopholes.
Well, absolutely. In the first high-level meeting also, we noticed that the Education Minister is stressing on a seamless, secure and foolproof re-NEET examination scheduled on the 21st of June now. And in this second high-level meeting, what has been stressed upon is an immediate proactive identification and blocking of any such suspicious channels that are, in fact, infamous for circulating clickbait content, unverified claims of fake newspaper, fake question paper leaks, as well as other content as well. Now, central agencies as well as security officials were also a part of this briefing, as well as senior officials from the NTA as well as the Education Ministry. What has been in fact observed is that the ministry has also spoken to representatives of Meta, of Telegram and of Google to ensure that these social media platforms also work alongside the Education Ministry in blocking all of these platforms. Now, one key important factor that has emerged from this meeting is is the acknowledgement of the Education Ministries of certain multiple, in fact, suspicious channels that are being run through a limited number of phone numbers. So this is, in fact, pointing towards the entire activity before the run-up to competitive exams as far as paper leaks are concerned to be an organized criminal activity, and this needs to be now completely eradicated, and the stress is being made on part of both the security officials, intelligence officials, as well as that on social media. So ahead of the re-NEET, it is going to be imperative to see how many Telegram accounts actually get blocked, because, you know, with technology, it's very easy, in fact, for automatic bot links to be created and for students to also chime in. It continues to remain a very high-stakes examination, what with the high number of
So the government has decided to block misleading channels. Suspicious Telegram channels have been identified. They are under the scanner. Intel flags have been coordinated. These channels have been told, social media handles have been told to block misinformation. Thank you very much, Kritika, for getting us the details.